First question we have 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay. Listen. We have three rules. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Then real and unequal rules. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then real and equal roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then imaginary roots. This is the main concept. Okay. Now we have to discuss the nature of root. Firstly, compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now when we compare, what we get, value of a is 2, value of b is minus 3 and value of c is 5. Okay. When we compare all of them. So what we get, we have to find b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4, 2 and 5. Now we solve for that. We get 3 3s are 9, minus 4 2s are 8, 5s are 40. Now here we get the negative value, minus 31. So less than 0. That means when we get the negative value, when we get the positive value. So roots are imaginary. Question is finished. Okay? Clear? Now next question. Next question we have 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now again when we compare these values, what we get the value of a, b and c. The value of a becomes 4, value of b becomes minus 4 under root 3 and value of c becomes 4. Okay. Now we have to find the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So minus 4 under root 3 whole square minus 4, 3 and 4. Now some children don't know how to solve minus 4 under root 3. Listen, minus 4 under root 3 into minus 4 under root 3. Now 4 and 4 we have to multiply, minus and minus get cancelled. We have 16 under root. So we get 16 equal roots and real roots. Understand? Now next question. Next question we have 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So whenever in your examination it is asked, discuss the nature of the root, you have to follow these things. Clear? Always remember. Now we again have to find the values of a, b and c. Value of a is 2, value of b is minus 6 and value of c is 3. Now we have to find b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4, 2 into 3. So we get 36 minus 4 3 is 12 to the 24. Here we get 12, which is the positive value. So our answer is real and unequal root. That means if you remember this, you can easily show what is the nature of the roots. Now question number 2 of this exercise 4.4. This is all the question number 1. Now question number 2, we have to find value of k. Now question number 1 we have 2x square plus kx plus 3 and it is given that so that they have two equal roots. The condition is given they have two equal roots. So according to that, when they have two equal roots, the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we compare here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. This is the most important question. Clear? The pattern is most important. So now we have to find b square minus 4ac. So k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 and we equate it equal to 0. So we get k square minus 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24, or we can say that under root 24. That is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 under root 6. Okay. Now in the same way, the next question. Next question we have kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here we have to multiply and expand it. So we get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. Value of a is k, value of b is minus 2k, and value of c is 6. Done? So we have to find b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4 into k into 6. And we have to equate is equal to 0. Now solve it. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Now take the k common. 2, we can take the common 4k. So here we get k minus 6 is equal to 0. That means 4k is equal to 0. K minus 6 is equal to 0. So there are two values, k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6. Okay. Now the remaining questions I will discuss in the next class.